He wasn't allowed to enter the hospital.
He was not allowed to enter.
Sir, Delhi
Police used high-handed methods. He was prevented from meeting the family of Subedar Ramkishan, who was from Bhiwani, who committed suicide for the non-implementation of one rank, one pension. His family had called Shri Rahul Gandhi. They wanted to meet him. That is his sons, son-in-law and other family members, who were dragged from the parking lot in the Ram Manohar Lohia hospital. There was no section 144. In any case, Mr. Rahul Gandhi had gone alone. There was no violation of any law. It's illegal detention, high-handedness, and in the police station, the police have used force against the family members who were dragged on the ground and beaten up. So Subedar Ramkishan, who has fought for this country, who was in the army, his family has been treated in a very cruel manner, and this is what we condemn. This shows what kind of a government we have, which is abusing its authority and doing acts which are illegal. The detentions are illegal. The police is unable to explain under which section they have detained
So
Mr. Rahul Gandhi.
is saying Congress is playing politics.
What playing politics?
Sir, even
Do we have a right to meet our ex-servicemen, their families? It's our right and our duty. Will we take BJP's permission?
सर दिल्ली पुलिस
Sir, in
ने
fact,
परमिशन
Delhi
नहीं
police
ली
has
गई.
said
दिल्ली
that
पुलिस
these
ने
leaders
We
are
have permission.
permission.
You don't need permission to go to a hospital.
Sir, Delhi police has said that these leaders have gone there to do their politics. That's why they've been
It is not the
detained.
job of Delhi police. We are not living in a police state. It's our right to go to hospital. It is our right to meet the families. Who says under which law you have to take permission to meet the families of a bereaved soldier?
Sir, do you think the police acted on
This
the
is
behest
shameful.
of the behest of the government? Is police acting on the behest
Yes,
of the government?
definitely. They say that they have orders from the higher ups. How can they detain otherwise?
The sad death of a Jawan who sacrificed all of his prime life to the service of the country is shocking and most unfortunate. The present government is entirely responsible for this tragedy. Their negligence is the only cause for this delay. One rank, one pension was decided 3 years ago. First, during UPS time, we decided to implement it. Then government changed. This government came. They diluted it and they announced they are implementing it, and later they announced they have implemented it. If they have implemented it, why this tragedy? That shows government is giving false promises.
I am joined by senior Congress leader Mr. Randeep Singh Surjewala, who was also detained inside the Mandirmarg police station along with the Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi. So a day of high drama. We initially saw the Aam Aadmi Party leader Manish Sisodia being detained outside the RML hospital. Soon after that, sir, you were detained outside the RML hospital. Once you reach over here, Rahul Gandhi also arrived over here and he too was detained. But the BJP is saying that why has Congress now suddenly woken up to play politics over the death of Subedar Grewal, sir? What unfolded inside, if you could also tell us about that?
What happened today with the family of a dead soldier, Subedar Ramkishan Grewal from Bhiwani in Haryana, was not only tragic but utterly shameful and is unprecedented in the history of this country. We went to meet the family, to stand with them in this hour of grief and to wipe their tears, because I have been to the house of the family multiple times. I knew Subedar Grewal very well. And when we went to meet the family had only one demand, that they want to meet Shri Rahul Gandhi, and she wants Shri Rahul Gandhi to raise their voice in the parliament and outside. When police did not permit, in an unprecedented move, police blocked and barricaded the Ram Manohar Lohia hospital when Rahul ji reached. When family wanted to go out, along with the certificates, files, presidential awards of Subedar Grewal, they were beaten up, they were scuffled with, they were abused in most filthy language. the CLP leader of Haryana, Kiran Chaudhary ji, myself, we were also scuffled with.
So you were saying police used force.
Absolutely. And I think many of the television cameras were there. And they were recording some of it.
Even inside the police station, sir. Were they also manhandled inside the police station?
In presence of Shri Rahul Gandhi, first Shri Rahul Gandhi, who came to check about the well-being of the family, was arrested and detained. After that, the family was lifted. And when they refused to go, they were dragged on the floor. I have never seen family of a dead soldier being treated in this unceremonious, cruel fashion by the government of any kind. I think in 67 years, this is most unprecedented. It's most reprehensible. If family of dead soldiers wanting OROP will be treated like this, who will defend this country?
BJP is saying that the family wanted a moment to mourn and to be in a moment of silence. Why did Rahul Gandhi have to jump to opportunity over here, sir? Having said that, Mamata Banerjee has tweeted in support of Congress leaders and of Manish Sisodia, saying that the leader should be allowed to meet the grieving family. Tejasvi Yadav has also tweeted, putting their weight behind Rahul Gandhi, saying that it is an undemocratic manner in which the police acted today, sir. Do you think more political parties are coming forth to stand by you?
Modi ji and Modi government should stop shedding crocodile tears and listen to the genuine grievances of the people. I think what happened today hangs the head of every Indian. It's shameful, it's regrettable, it's condemnable, it's reprehensible. Why should we go and not meet the family whom we know very well? Why should we go not and stand with them? Why can't we go and wipe a tear? Why can't Rahul Gandhi ji go and meet them when that's the only demand of the family and they have only faith in Rahul Gandhi ji to raise the OROP issue? And why should government beat them up, scuffle with them,
Why
abuse
did Congress not do anything about OROP when they were in the government?
I think Modi ji is suffering from myopia. OROP was given by Congress government. An initial sum of 500 crore rupees was allocated in the interim budget. The OROP as given by Modi government has become, instead of one rank, one pension, one rank, many pension. Instead of correcting the wrong, they are sometimes reducing disability pension, sometimes reducing the ranks. I think they need to really look within and introspect.
वो जा रहे थे ओनली ऑन इंसानियत और मानवता को लेके। वो एक सोल्जर जो मारा गया है उनके परिवार को मिलने जा रहे थे। इसमें कौन सा गुनाह वो कर रहे थे?
नहीं चलेगी।